Question number 9.
Yeah. A vertical pole FT casts a shadow HD at a certain time in a day. It casts a shadow KT at another HD equals 3:2.
Okay, you need to find the height. Okay, a vertical pole FT casts a shadow HT. Okay, uh, HT at a certain time. It's cast a shadow KT at another time on the same day. So given that FK is equal to 18 meter, this is given to you. KT is 12.5 centimeter and HT is KT and HT ratio is given to KT and HT. This ratio is given to you. It means that KT divided by HT, you can write this ratio like this, 3 divided by 2. Find the height of the pole. You will need to find the height of the pole. FP is we need to find this height. Okay. So what do you think? क्या करना होगा इसमें?
18 square equals 12.5 square plus U square.
Yes, good. So from this you will get U. Okay. इसको कैलकुलेटर के थ्रू कर लो, क्या आंसर आता है?
157.75.
स्क्वायर रूट ले लिया आपने?
नहीं, 12.95.
Okay, this length is 12.95. Now, second part is the distance FH. This distance, you need to find this distance. So, what do you think? क्या करना होगा यहाँ? For this, you need to HT. So, how you will find HT? यहाँ पे वो आपने वो रेशियो का वो कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपने अप्लाई करना है. 3:2. Ratio key concepts, it means that you need to find this. Okay, total amount is given to you, that is 5.5. You will need to find this amount. Okay, so ratio is given to you, that is 3:2. Okay, so what you will do, ratio में amounts to किस तरह find करते हैं? You will take that ratio 2 divided by total ratio, या sum of all ratios times total amount करना है. Total amount is 12.5 divided by sum of all ratio, that is 3 plus 2, that's equal to. या आप इस तरह भी कर सकते हो, लाइक इसको इस तरह कर लो कि 3 4 5 पार्ट्स में 12.5 को डिवाइड कर लो. 12.5 divided by 5, so it will give you one part value. Okay, so it will give you 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so 2.5 is one part. Now 2 parts is given to this region, and 3 parts out of 5 parts, 2 parts is given to this region and 3 parts is given to this region. So for 2 parts, you will add this 2 times. 2.5 plus 2.5. Oh, you will multiply it by 2. So from this you will get 5. And you will add 3 times over here for the second region. That will give you 7.5. Okay. So 12.5 को divide किया गया है 7.5 में, that is given to this region, and 5 part is given to this region. Okay. Compared to you will get 12.5. Got it? यहाँ आवाज क्लियर आ रही है?
Yeah.
तब आपको ये समझ आ गया कि?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is 5. Out of 12.5 meter, 5 meter is this distance, and 7.5 is this distance. Okay. So now you can easily find u. किस तरह find करना है? So from this you will get u. Okay. आपने स्क्वायर रूट लेना है एंड पे. ओके, ये मिस्टेक नहीं करनी जो आप यहाँ पे कर रही थी.